Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome to Java Fever. So today we are going to continue our Lead Code 75 code challenges. So today we are going to start coding of greatest common divisor of string. So we are going to touch this question today. So we'll try to firstly understand so how can we solve. Okay. So we'll try to discuss approach and then we will do the coding. Okay. So we are going to follow these steps. So I'm going to click on this. Yeah. So let's get started. So this is our question. Greatest common divisor of a string. Okay. So for two string s and t, we have t divides s if and only if s equal to t plus t. Okay, t is concatenated with itself one or more times. Okay, so s will be concatenation of t. Okay, given to a string str1 and str2 returns the largest string x such that x divides both str1 and str2. So okay, this is the example. So input will be str1 abc abc and str2 abc. Okay, so output should be abc. So abc will divide this str1 as two times. Okay, abc and abc, so output should be our abc. Okay, so this is greatest common divisor. So abc will be the greatest common divisor string. Okay, so this is our abc. And in second test cases we have string 1 and string 2. In string 1 we have ab. Okay, and str 2 we have ab. Okay, so how many times it will be divided? One time. So what should be the output? So what should be the output? Ab. Okay, so ab is dividing str1 three times and ab is dividing str2 two times. Okay, so output should be ab. So it's the greatest common divisor. Okay, same like a mathematical term you can also. So if you have 6 and you have 4. Okay, so if you'll find out the greatest common divider, so what should be gcd of it? So gcd will be 2. Okay, so it's a here also its output it's returning substring of 2. Okay, which is ab. Substring of 0 to 2, which is ab. So if you find the gcd of this string, okay, both the string, then if you'll do the substring, then we'll get the output. Okay, so this logic will be applicable in both the test cases. Okay, and for this test cases str lead is there and str2 code is there. Okay, so it should return output null. Okay, empty string, because there is no common string in this. Okay, so firstly we'll try to write a code for this and then we'll try to write code for this. Okay, so let's get started. So we are going to write. So firstly we'll try to understand gcd. How can we find gcd of any any given number? Okay, so I'm going to make you understand in mathematical terms. So let me start. So we have let's imagine we have 6. Okay, which is length of str1. Okay, and we have 4. Okay, so we are going to find out gcd of 4 and 6. So how can we find? Okay, so in mathematical terms, so in our case, so this will be the, let's imagine this is a okay, and this is the b. Okay, so this is our quotient. Yeah, so this will be our, this will be our quotient, this will be our divider. Okay, so we are going to divide 6 by 4. Okay, so if we divide by 1, okay, so we'll here it will be 4, and then our remainder will be 2. Okay, this is the remainder. Remainder will be 2. Okay, this is the remainder, and we are this is remainder. Okay, so if we'll try to again, so now remainder will be our divider. Okay, so this will be the b. Again this will act as a b, so b equal to remainder. So this will be the our one scenario, so b will act as a remainder. So now we are going to divide 4, which is quotient, by 2. 2 is a remainder, so now it became the divider. Okay, so how many times it will be divided? 2 times. So now we will get the 0. Okay, so our greatest GCD will be 2. Okay, so here output will be 2. Say, same logic we are also going to implement in this thing. So here b equal to remainder, and now 4. This is the 4 which is quotient. So how? So now this is 4. Here a equal to, we can say, previously here b equal to this remainder, and 4 will 4. What is 4 here? So you can say now a is going to replace with b. A equal to b. See, a equal to b. So this will be the our second condition. Okay, so this is our first. Okay, in first condition what it is happening? So remainder is becoming here divider. Okay, so b now remainder is acting as a b. Okay, here 4 was b and 6 was a. So in this scenario, 2 is a remainder, so here remainder is acting as b. Okay, so now we have b is equal to remainder, and then b which is divider of this. Okay, this is divider, this is quotient, so divider of this scenario is here quotient. Okay, that means the a equal to b. Okay, so now we are replacing a by b. So now because b is a divider of this scenario, but b is here, b is becoming here quotient. Okay, so here a equal to b. Okay, so this is our second condition. Okay, so this will going to follow this GCD related concept in our code. Okay, so we have first condition, we have second condition, now we have third condition. Okay, so if you follow this and this, then we will get the result, which is GCD. And we should follow, we are making one while condition. Okay, till this is 0. Okay, that means this is remainder b. Okay, we will follow till it should be 0. Okay, that means the here a should be a should not be 0. Okay, so we will follow till a should not be 0. Okay, because if it will be 0, then we'll get our GCD. Okay, so this is the a, which is 6. Okay, so here if it will be 0, okay, so this will be act as a b, not a. Okay, because if something is there, okay, here also, so it will act as a b. Okay, so it will be b equal to 0. So we are going to make one loop till b not equal to 0. Okay, because if b equal to 0, then we'll get our GCD. Okay, so we are going to make one loop from till b not equal to 0. So we can make it b not equal to, okay, so not equal to 0. Okay, so we are going to make one loop till b not equal to 0. So this will be our loop condition, and then in this loop we will follow first condition, then second condition. Okay, at last we'll get the GCD. Okay, so this one we are going to follow in scenario. So let's start the coding again. See, we are going to, so firstly we are going to calculate the length of both the string, which is, I'm going to make a equal to str dot gth length. Okay, and we'll make it int a. Okay, and then we'll make int be equal to str2 dot gth length. We are going to make 1, sorry, length, sorry, no need 0. So length is calculating length str1 dot length str2, so we'll get the length of both the string. So now how, what can we do? So we can start our one condition, while condition. Okay, while condition, it should be, so we are going to find out GCD. Okay, and after getting GCD we can make it. So here we can firstly will find, so we have founded the length of both the alien length of both the string, and then we will find GCD. Okay, and then with the help of the GCD we can find out one substring. Okay, then we'll get our output. Okay, so this is for condition. We are writing this condition for test cases 1 and test cases 2. Okay, example 1 and example 2, and after that we write for example 3. So we are going to write code for example 1, example 2. So we have a string 1 dot length, and we have assigned into a, and we have assigned into b str2 dot length. So while condition, it should be from b not equal to 0. Okay, not equal to 0, it should be continue till b not equal to 0. And what was your first condition? So our first condition was, let's check. So b equal to remainder. Okay, in b we have to store the remainder. Okay, so firstly we'll try to store value of b in any temporary value, because we are going to modify the value of b. Okay, so we will not get the b value again, because here also we are storing b value in a. So firstly we are going to store b value in any temporary value. So we are going to store b value in any temp. So int temp equal to b, and now we have stored b in temp. Okay, and then we have second things, what we are going to do, b equal to remainder. Okay, so we are going to find b equal to, how we are finding remainder. So a mod b, if we will do a mod b, then we will get the remainder. So how a mod b, so remainder equal to a mod b, and this remainder we are going to store into, we were going to store into b. Okay, so make it b equal to a remainder b. And then there is a third condition which is a equal to b. So now we are assigning b value inside a, so a equal to b. So make it a equal to b. Now we have a equal to b. So like this will get the gcd, and here this will be the our gcd value. Okay, so this will be the gcd value. Okay, when it will be when b is b equal to 0, then we'll get the a will be the gcd value. Okay, so how can we do substring? So we do substring like str1. This is our the largest string, this is our lowest string, largest string. So str1 dot substring, there is a substring method to make a substring with help of string. So initial index and then a. Now we'll get the substring, and then we can return this substring return. Now this is not required, we can remove this. So now our conditions should be satisfied for this, because we'll once we'll find the gcd of this string which is ab, sorry abc, gcd of this string is abc, then we'll get for this condition also gcd of this string and this string will be ab. Okay, so like this we can achieve test cases 1 and 2. So let's run and check, are we getting correct output or not. Okay, it should be true for example 1, example 2, but it will fail for example 3. Okay, so we are able to do for, okay, something is missing because it's a true for, so this condition is true for case 3, but it is false for case 1 and case 2. Let's check, something is missing, we are getting output empty. Okay, b not equal to 0 while int, we have did int temp equal to b, and then b equal to, we are doing mod a mod b, and then equal to, okay, so here we have to assign a equal to b. Okay, so we taken it from here, a equal to b, but here b we have assigned into temp. Okay, so we have assigned b value in temp. So we have to, what we have to do here, so instead of b we have to assign a temp. Okay, because we have assigned b value in temp, so here we have to, at the time of assigning b into a, we have to assign temp value. Okay, because we have did some operation on b, we have stored b on, okay, we have stored remainder in b. Okay, so if you want to store a equal to b, like a equal to b, then we can do a equal to temp. Okay, because we have stored b in temp. So let's run again. So it should pass case, test cases 1, test cases 2. Let's check. Yeah, it's passing test cases 1, test cases 2. Okay, for abc str abc output, we are getting abc, and expected was abc, that means we are getting the correct. And for test cases 2 also we are getting correct output, ab, this is str1 str2 ab, and output we are getting ab and expected ab. Okay, so test cases 1, test cases 2 is right, but for test cases this one 3, which is str1 lit and str2 it's failing. So for this purpose we have to write the base cases. Okay, so for that purpose, if we can compare, okay, we can do like str1, we can add this both the string. Okay, str1 concat str2. Okay, if not equal to str2 concat str2. Okay, so we are going to add both, firstly str1 to str2, and then we'll check if it is not equal to abc str2 concat str1, then it should return null. Okay, because in both the scenario output should be empty string. Okay, so like this we are going to write code for this example 3 test cases. So for this purpose, base case we can see, or we can see if not equal to, if not equal. So if we can do like str1 str2 or str1 dot concat, you can do str, directly you can also write str1 str2. Okay, and we can bracket and dot equals str2 dot str1. Okay, if both are equal, then it should run this condition. Okay, if both are equal, that means if you if you merge both str1 and str2, so abc and abc. Okay, and from if you merge first str2 and str2, so abc, so both will be equal. Okay, so in if both will be equal, then this condition should run. Okay, so here it should not be. So you write here not equal to. Okay, so if both are not equal to, both strings are not equal to, then it should return, yeah, empty string. Okay, in this scenario output should be empty string. So let's run and check, are we able to, and we can make these things this up. Here we can initialize all the length related thing. Okay, so let's run and check, are we getting correct output or not. Yeah, so str1 dot str2, it should be concatenate. Okay, then it should work. We can concatenate with to plus. Okay, so here test case 3 is also true. Okay, it's a lead, str1 lead and str2 lead code, and output we are getting empty, and expected was also empty. Okay, so we are getting the correct output. Okay, we are able to pass all test cases. So like this we can find greatest common divisor of a string. Okay, so if you want to find only in case of only integer, if you want to find, okay, so you can find with the help of this logic. Okay, if someone is given you two number 10 and 4, they wanted you to provide the greatest common divisor of integer. Okay, so with the help of this logic you can write. Okay, so but this logic you are using to find GCD of a string. Okay, so like this we can find and we can make a substring. So like this is a logic. Okay, so we are able to do. So I hope you understood all the points. So let me submit it. So I hope you understood all the point. If there is any doubt, so please let me know in comment section. This is the one of the approach to solve this question. We can solve by various technique. Okay, so if you have any other option, you can comment. So we will try to understand together. So thanks for watching. If you're loving my part, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye everyone.